Okay, I'm getting ready to do a cold start. 79 Winnebago. I'm going to start it up and pull it ahead, hopefully about 6 feet roughly from where it's currently sitting. The ground is wet. There is no snow on the ground. But this thing has not ran in quite some time. I just put some fresh gas in it and some semi-fresh gas in it. I'm going to pull the air filter off, prime the carburetor, and see what happens. No critters, that's always nice to see. Just to show you that it will crank. So the batteries are both nice and good. Okay, just primed the carburetor. Let's give it a couple pumps for good measure. I did check the oil. It normally takes a bit. I may have to end up using my prop rod to keep it running. I do have a fire extinguisher. Okay, there we go. It will run. I got to set my prop rod, and that's pretty much it. I guess I kind of cheated a little bit by using gas to fill the carburetor, but did not use starting fluid. And this was a genuine cold start. This is a 440 big block, full dual exhaust, headers, no manifolds, and no crossover pipe. So I'll talk to you later. Please keep riding like always, and please comment.